How to load GSAT using GCash, Full Guide 2026. No need to leave your house, line up at a payment center, or look for a load retailer. Loading your GSAT subscription using GCash takes less than 2 minutes and you can do it anytime from your phone. Let me show you exactly how right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through the complete 2026 guide to loading GSAT using GCash. GSAT is a satellite television service provider in the Philippines that offers affordable prepaid and postpaid TV packages, and it's widely used in areas where cable TV is not available. Let's go through every step right now. Step 1. Make sure you have your GSAT account number ready. Before opening GCash, grab your GSAT account number. This is printed on your GSAT card, your subscription confirmation, or inside your GSAT receiver settings. You'll need to enter this exactly during the payment process, so have it on hand before you start. Step 2. Open the GCash app and log in. Launch GCash on your mobile phone and enter your MPIN to log in. Make sure your GCash wallet has enough balance to cover the amount you want to load before proceeding. Step 3. Go to Pay Bills. On the GCash home screen, tap Pay Bills, then choose Cable TV from the list of bill categories, then select GSAT from the available providers. If you don't see it under Cable TV, try looking under the cable or internet category, as the placement may vary slightly depending on your app version. Step 4. Enter your GSAT account number and payment amount. Enter your GSAT account number correctly, then input the payment amount based on your chosen GSAT package. Double-check your account number before moving forward. An incorrect number means your payment goes to the wrong account and reversals can take time. Step 5. Confirm your payment with your MPIN. Review all the details on the confirmation screen: your account number, the amount, and the biller name. Once everything looks correct, tap Confirm and enter your GCash MPIN to complete the transaction. GCash will process the payment instantly. Step 6. Save your receipt. After the transaction is confirmed, GCash will display a digital receipt showing your transaction reference number. Screenshot it or tap Send Receipt to email it to yourself. This receipt is your proof of payment in case your GSAT account doesn't update immediately, or you need to follow up with GSAT support. Here's your pro tip: if GSAT does not appear under Cable TV in your GCash app, try searching directly in the Pay Bills search bar by typing GSAT. Different app versions and regions organize billers differently, and the search function bypasses all the category confusion instantly. And always load a day or two before your GSAT subscription expires. Last-minute loads during peak hours can take slightly longer to reflect on your account. And that's your complete 2026 guide to loading GSAT using GCash, opening Pay Bills, selecting GSAT under Cable TV, entering your account number, confirming the amount, and saving your receipt. Simple, fast, and completely cashless. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more GCash and Philippines app tutorials every week. Drop a comment below. Are you on a prepaid or postpaid GSAT plan? See you in the next one.